Every doctor begins a remarkable journey. It begins in the anatomy dissection hall.
Why is the cadaver called the first teacher? The cadaver is regarded as the first teacher of a medical student because it is the first human body from which students learn the science and art of medicine. Before they interact with living patients, medical students enter the dissection hall and begin their journey of understanding the structure of the human body through cadaveric dissection. This unique learning experience forms the foundation of medical education and plays a crucial role in shaping students into competent and compassionate doctors. Foundation of anatomical knowledge. Human anatomy is the basis of all medical sciences. While textbooks, diagrams, computer simulations, and models provide theoretical information, they cannot fully replicate the complexity of the human body. A cadaver allows students to directly observe and explore anatomical structures in their natural positions. Through dissection, students learn about the size, shape, location, and relationships of organs, muscles, nerves, blood vessels, and other tissues. This hands-on experience provides a three-dimensional understanding that is difficult to achieve through books alone. Cadaveric dissection also reveals natural anatomical variations among individuals. Students learn that no two human bodies are exactly alike, an important lesson that prepares them for clinical practice, where patient anatomy may vary from textbook descriptions. First encounter with human life and death. For many students, the cadaver represents their first close encounter with death. This experience encourages reflection on the fragility and value of human life. Students begin to appreciate the responsibility they will carry as future physicians. The cadaver teaches important life lessons that extend beyond anatomy, helping students develop emotional maturity and professional sensitivity. This encounter also helps students overcome initial fears and anxieties associated with handling human remains. Under proper guidance, they learn to approach the human body with dignity, respect, and professionalism. A silent and selfless teacher. Unlike classroom teachers who speak and interact with students, the cadaver teaches silently. Through careful observation and dissection, students discover anatomical details independently and develop critical thinking skills. The cadaver never complains, never refuses to teach, and patiently allows repeated exploration and learning. This silent teaching role is often considered one of the greatest gifts in medical education. The cadaver provides knowledge that cannot be obtained from any other source with the same depth and realism. For this reason, many medical schools refer to the cadaver as the student's first teacher or first patient. Development of practical skills. Cadaver dissection helps students acquire several important practical skills that are essential for future medical practice. Observation and attention to detail. Hand-eye coordination and manual dexterity. Proper handling of instruments. Spatial understanding of anatomical structures. Teamwork and collaborative learning, problem solving and analytical thinking. These skills form the basis for clinical examinations, surgical procedures, and diagnostic practices later in medical training. Learning professionalism and ethics. The dissection hall serves as an early training ground for professional behavior. Students learn to treat the cadaver with dignity because it once belonged to a living person. They understand the importance of maintaining confidentiality, showing respect, and following ethical guidelines. Through this experience, students begin to develop core professional values such as respect for human life, compassion and empathy, responsibility and accountability, discipline and integrity, ethical conduct. The respect shown to a cadaver often translates into respect for future patients, colleagues, and teachers. Appreciation of body donation. Many cadavers used in medical education are donated voluntarily by individuals or their families. Students learn that body donation is a noble act of generosity and service to society. The knowledge gained from a donated body contributes directly to the education of future doctors and ultimately benefits countless patients. Recognizing this gift fosters gratitude and humility. Students understand that their medical education depends not only on teachers and institutions, but also on the selfless contributions of body donors and their families. Promotion of lifelong learning. The Cadaver teaches students that medicine is a field of continuous learning. Even experienced clinicians and surgeons continue to revisit anatomical concepts throughout their careers. The curiosity, observation, and dedication developed during dissection encourage a lifelong commitment to learning and professional growth. Conclusion. The Cadaver is called the first teacher because it provides the first real opportunity for medical students to learn human anatomy, develop practical skills, understand professional ethics, and appreciate the dignity of human life.
Appreciate the dignity of human life. It serves as a silent mentor, teaching lessons of knowledge, humility, compassion, and respect. Through cadaveric dissection, students gain not only scientific understanding but also the values and attitudes necessary to become responsible and caring physicians. Therefore, the cadaver is much more than an anatomical specimen. It is a revered teacher who lays the foundation for a lifetime of medical practice.